Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and now here we should enter the Ampere. Now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, tap here to open the app, click yes I agree, click close, tap to OK on the left down corner, and now we can see here the section where the health information about our battery health. In my case, that's good. Also, we can see here other information about our device battery, like the temperature level, capacity, voltage, and more other info like the Android version, model of our device, and more information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.